Folks, dreams really do come true. I have dreamt of buying a boat since I broke my last one, and well folks, I finally found the perfect boat for this xylophone player to go try in my pool and potentially get stranded in the sea. But of course, that'll be for another time. Today, it's all about showing you the brand new boat that I got. Now folks, when it came to the perfect boat, the biggest thing that I needed was that I needed this boat to fit me. I needed it to be at least a two-person boat, and that's just what I found, folks. A two-person boat. This boat could hold two people. I'm basically the size of two people. Ha ha ha. No, I'm not, folks, but nonetheless, I got a boat that should surely fit this xylophone player. I can take this boat out into the water, out into the seas, and have many adventures. But for today, we're gonna throw it into my pool and give it a nice little try. So folks, let's blow this thing up and see if it fits this xylophone player. Well folks, by the looks of this boat, it seems like it'll be a perfect xylophone fit. Well, let's blow it up and see if it's true. Here we go. Look at that, folks. The perfect xylophone fit. The only thing left to do now is take it into my pool and see just what this baby can do. Let's do it, folks. Well folks, time for me to test out my boat in the water. I'm a bit scared, if I'm being honest. The last time I tried to float, well, it wasn't that good of a time. Anyways, let's take this boat to the ocean. Here we go, folks. Oh boy, folks. Oh, I'm standing on something. Oh boy. Okay, folks. Oh boy, folks. Alright, folks. I can do, oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, it's coming for me. Okay folks, a dragonfly was trying to bother me. And now, let's get into my boat. Oh, I'm scared. Okay folks. Okay folks. Oh boy folks. Oh boy folks. Oh boy folks. Oh boy folks. Look at that folks. This time I am wet, water free. I am just in the water, floating around, folks. Look at me. Getting around is a struggle. Watch me do a circle. Well folks, it seems that this boat lets me float dry. I'm not even wet. I get to chill out in my pool, and now you will get me stranded at sea. There's a bee somewhere in the background haunting me, so I have to make this quick. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friend folks, because this xylophone player is gonna get lost at sea. Alright? Oh, I don't know what that was. Anyways, subscribe. I work for tips. Bye-bye.